when I had that, I guess, phase that I didn't want to go to school no more, we didn't talk for like a good while, right? The last time was she did finally talk to me. She talked to me and she told me and she broke it down and she was just like, I want you to go to school and you're gonna go to school. There's no say so in it and we're gonna forget about this and you're just gonna go back to school the next day.
There was no way I was gonna let her drop out of school, and there's too many kids out there that are just doing that, and that's not for you, you know.
Yeah, that would get me through it because she would just push me and
yeah. Mental health, I mean, it's just not about medication. It's about being there when a patient needs help. How would they not want someone to, you know, not pick up the phone and not call someone that can help that kid, you know? Just, how can they just walk away from something like that, you know? I know I wouldn't. I couldn't. I have kids. So I do have a heart, you know, when a child is hurting, and it doesn't have to be mine, any child.
A kid could be in a situation to the point that if he loses a counselor, when his counselor is like his last chance, like Patty was saying, like basically if you take away that counselor, anything can happen to that kid.
Kids with a diagnosis, they don't trust a lot of people, and they don't want to be around someone that don't care, or that makes them even more furious. I don't know, because I was there once. It's not that she's crazy, it's that she's, you know, suffering from something that she just can't cope with. You know, you want to see crazy, I'll show you crazy if something happens to my kid. You know, and people should just care. That's it, you know. The kids.
Like the Department of Mental Health, they should have in mind that every choice that anyone makes about someone that does have mental health issues, that it can either hurt us really bad or it can really help us. So just to think about the decisions they make and to consider, like, well, what if that was my kid and they took away my kid's counselor and something happens after that?
My children are my first priority. It always has been.